Hello everyone, this is Ramya Ramkumar. Today we're going to see the recipe of carrot coconut milk soup, which is rich, creamy, healthy, super delicious. Let's just get into it. Let's have a look at our ingredients for the carrot coconut milk soup, which is a rich, creamy soup. We have coconut oil for seasoning, onion, 1 cup of coconut milk, turmeric, cumin seeds, jeera, salt, pepper, ginger, 2 carrots and some cilantro leaf. Let's get started. We start by chopping the carrots. We roughly chop the carrots because we're gonna put this in a blender. So rough chopping is fine for this recipe. I'm going to chop 2 carrots for this recipe. 2 carrots is enough for 4 people. And then let's take ginger. I'm taking 2 small pieces of ginger with few cilantro leaves. Let's chop and keep it aside. And then we take onions. Again, onion is also chopped roughly. I'm using half onion for this. Half onion would be sufficient for this dish. Okay. Now I'm gonna start cooking this recipe. I'm using pressure cooker here. I'm taking coconut oil. I'm using 1 teaspoon of coconut oil for seasoning here. When the oil is nicely heated, we're gonna add cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, jeera, and then add some onions. Just give a good saute. I'm gonna add cilantro and ginger pieces to it. Now I'm adding some salt here. Give it a good mix. Adding some carrots. Mix it well. And now I'm gonna add a dash of turmeric powder, which gives you a good color. Now I'm taking 1 cup of coconut milk, thick coconut milk, and I'm adding to it. Give it a good mix and close the lid. Keep the pressure on. Give it for 1 whistle and then switch it off. Once the pressure is released, we'll open the cooker and let's have a look at it. Allow this to cool down, and I'm using hand blender to blend the soup. And the soup is ready to be served. I've just warmed the soup and I'm serving it in a bowl. I'm gonna add crushed black pepper and few cilantro leaves to it. So here is the rich, creamy, healthy carrot coconut milk soup. It's for you. Hope you enjoyed watching.